Newer Mario DS, ladies and gentlemen, with a flood warning.
Wet urban area and small stream flooding caused by continued runoff is expected where a portion of northern New Hampshire, including the following county, graft wet until 11:15 p.m. 11:15 p.m. Road impacts,
10:50.
roads remain closed due to flooding, and smaller streams are above their banks. Additional details at 9:12 p.m. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain has fallen in the last few hours. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area. Between 2 and 4.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lincoln, Haverhill, Franconia, Piermont, Woodstock, Lyme, Lisbon, Bath, Benton, and Dorchester. And now here is the latest weather radio station WNG 575, broadcasting on a frequency of 172.52. The dry trend follows for Thursday with warm and humid conditions into Friday. 9:15 p.m.
There you go. I hesitated there, because originally I didn't think I'd be able to pick up KZZ41, and then lo and behold, I get off my lazy ass, I say fuck it and try it, and there we go, flash flood warning. Fort Oxford County, Maine.